Okay, so anish Tommy the Jane of na focal nua. So ni mi fos Jane of an litter a. Tommy the dollar I gudi on litter all. Okay? So on litter all. Okay? So ta father on show. Father. So it makes a oh sound. So it drags it out. So it's not a. So ta on litter a. But on litter all. Okay? So kind of kasule oh. Okay? So oh. So on litter all. Okay? So actually currently on show. So litter oh. So ta on show ta aron. Okay? So aron. Okay? So aron. On tra. So on tra. So teimedig snav an tra. So tra. Frama. So quirme picture is frama. Okay? Frama. Okay, cup on. So kasule an cup on tag ig Mr. Murphy. Musical college. On cup on. Okay. Table. So ta table nyakait on show. So table. Table. So vi shivig Jane of the upper on table. So you're using the tables to do your work. Okay. We Paulus. So Paulos. Okay. Paulos. So shin icon on Balya atá ag ri, so the home that the king has. So Paulos. So the palace, the Paulos. Okay, love. So my love. Love. Agus solve. So on solve. Ag also in solve con on crown a gear. So to use it to cut a tree. So a solve. Agus vi crown a gwyn. De mort. Okay. Crown. Yep. So vi crown a gwyn. Agus vi should use on solve con a crown of Russia. Clarbon. So Clarbon. Ta Clarbon on show. So Clarbon. Ta is a gachtin on show. Called a Clarbon. Okay. Blah. So blah. So if anyone wants to buy Mr. Murphy's some blah, that'd be lovely. Buy me some flowers. Okay. Egg foss. So ta shiv egg foss. So vi shiv biog. Akanish ta shiv egg foss. So you're growing, aren't you? So egg foss. Okay. Egg bach oil. Okay. So bach oil. Egg bach oil. So baking. Okay, so you can baking a cake, scones, muffins, anything. So egg bach oil caca, egg bach oil cup on caca, so cupcakes. Ainwood. Okay. So queer on a is shocking yakoit. August big shiv in aun na fuckle a raw. So you'll be able to say the words by the end of this, alright? Okay, so the first one is Aron. Okay? So Aron. So hen, do, tree, Aron. Okay? Next one is Tra. Okay? Hen, do, tree, Tra. Okay? Tra. Next one, Frama. So hen, do, tree, Frama. Hen, do, tree, Frama. Okay? August cup on. Okay? Hen, do, tree. Cup on. Okay? Hen, do, tree, cup on. Okay? Table. Okay? Table. So ta an a, agus an a is jock on show. So table. Okay? Hen, do, tree, table. Okay? Hen, do, tree, table. Okay? Palos. So Paulos. Sorry, Paulos. So hen, do, tree, paw, loss. That's a bit of a tough one. So it's paw, loss. Okay, so there's two in it. Paw, loss. Okay, hen, do, tree, paw, loss. Okay, if we're shocked, love. So Taisa got to call it love. Love. Okay, hen, do, tree, love. Okay. Solve. So Shineska, solve. So on BH makes a V sound. Remember vrish, vrish. So it's solve. It's not sob. Sob. It's solve. Solve. Okay. Hand, do, tree, solve. Okay. Hand, do, tree, solve. And next one, chlor-bond. We should all know that one now. Because Mr. Murphy is igoni go side and chlor-bond. Always using the chlor-bond. Okay, so hen, do, tree, chlor-bond. Okay, chlor-bond. Hen, do, tree, chlor-bond. Okay, if we're there, blah. Okay, blah. Hen, do, tree, blah. Okay, hen, do, tree, blah. August. If we're a hen egg, we have egg foss. Remember egg foss? Egg foss. So it's like an egg that a chicken gives out. Foss. So egg foss. Okay, so it's not egg foss, it's egg foss. Okay, hen, do, tree, egg foss. Okay, hen, do, tree, egg foss. Okay, August egg ball coil. Okay, egg ball coil. Okay, so it's egg ball coil. Okay, hen, do, tree, egg ball coil. Okay, hen, do, tree, egg ball coil. Okay, perfect. Okay, I think we all got that. Okay, so next one. So we've done all these before anyway. We know how to do these. So tá is ag gachtainna, cá tá le déanamh againn. So a rán, love, rá, pá lás, tábla, ag bá cáil. Okay? So scríb on focal. So don't type, want you to write here, okay? So ag scríb, okay? So a rán. Okay, a rán. A rán. A rán. A rán. Okay, agus an seo, tá is ag gachtainna. So we have our words, our letters here, sorry, and we try and make cara focal us on list of seo. So within this list, there's a list of letters, and we're going to have to make words from this table out of here. So the first one I can see, easy one, is trá. So T R A fada. So T R A fada. Okay, so we should all be able to get 4 of those. I want you to type these ones out because they're a bit harder to write down, right? So type those ones out, okay? And then for these ones, B down here. So what I want you to do is fill in, so type in here the missing word, okay? So V Liam, August, Laura, something, Sakishton. So what would you do in the kitchen? Egg, ball coil. Okay, well done. Okay, so V sheet in a chiasav, egg on. What would you be standing on? So what's this? Queer, Laura, a. Savala, agus for she plur. Okay, so queer she a love Savala, agus for she plur. Rinne Liam, agus Laura. Vi shake a holly. Okay. Anshin, do Liam, agus Laura. Tay. So something tay. What was it? Something. If we're she, Cuig Liam, August Laura, Gudi on shin. So where did Liam, August, Laura go? Where did I go? Okay, so you have to fill in those. So remember, write down these. Better with le ver, no air on look. So with your finger or with your mouse, right here, and type the rest of them, okay? So this makes it much easier for us to see. So write them down here and then type the rest of them. Okay? Good luck with that. If you have any problems,